peripheral boards, which is all these guys, especially the mouse trackpads. Look at all that gold. I told you there's a lot of gold on these, but I don't do any of the refining or anything like that, extracting and whatnot. Look, plenty of gold everywhere on the trackpads. So for you guys who do anything with gold, extracting, refining, trackpads are definitely a good source. So there's about 3.6 ounces of peripheral, or 0.7. At about $1.75, so we're talking about barely anything, about 4 cents here. It's still something. But like I said, a lot of this stuff had quite a good chunk of gold. Gold pins, gold in the USB ports. So I'll put this in my peripheral box. And then we have the boards of fingers, and that's all about 1.1 ounces. And because these don't have, they're so tiny, they don't have brackets or anything like that, they're nice and clean. They're at $4.35, but there's almost nothing here, so still not bad, about 30 cents. Let's keep on going. Okay, then we have the copper bearing motors, which I get about 12 cents a pound. And there's 4 ounces. Again, nothing to write home about, but every penny counts. It's actually 4 ounces.